Good day, ma'am. So, this is my thoughts and explanation about this second activity for today. So, about uh, designer babies and frozen bodies. So, there are following questions. I will read first. So, imagine if these technologies someday become mainstream. How would that impact society as we know it? So there are positive sides and negative sides about it. So first, the positive sides of designer babies is uh, fewer babies would uh, fewer babies would be born in with serious diseases, which could reduce suffering and healthcare costs. And also, parents might feel more in control of their child's birth and future. So the negative sides of it, only wealthy people can afford it. Like it's unequal. There could also be ethical problems like treating children as products we can customize instead of accepting them as they are. For me, society might start valuing certain traits more than others, like changing ideas about what makes a person valuable. Number two question: look for and list down other technologies that challenge notions that we had previously held about what we simply take to be natural. So there's a lot like lab grown meat, brain computer interfaces, animal or human cloning, adult gene editing. So, and also the artificial intelligence. Like we used to think only humans could be creative, but now computers can make original art and songs. Changes what we think creativity is. And also artificial intelligence can affect students, parents, also and other people who live in the world. So it can less creative, and uh, students going to be lazy and unindependent. They only rely on artificial intelligence, and also it can affect human like manpower. Like artificial intelligence is more in doing stuff like creating a song, a movie, essay, uh, and also artificial intelligence can destroy or it can affect students, like they're like lazy. And also there are positive sides of in the artificial intelligence, like it can generate more ideas, expound ideas, and gives people ideas on how we think. And that's all. Thank you.